Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking securely and engaging the parking brake. This prevents the car from rolling while you work. First, locate the gap near the valve stem and insert a flathead or hubcap tool. Apply steady, even pressure. Don't pry wildly, so clips release without bending the cover. Rotate the tool around the rim, working one clip at a time. Once a section lifts, use your hand to pull the cover off. Keep the old cover nearby to check clip condition and alignment markings. You should inspect the new cover and the wheel rim for damage and match clip positions to the old one. Compatibility matters because clip spacing varies. Align the cover so the valve stem fits the access notch, then position the top edge and begin to press. Apply even pressure across opposing points. Press center, then opposite sides, so clips seat uniformly. Once you hear a series of clicks, make sure the cover sits flush all the way around. If not, release and realign it. You finish by verifying the cover is secure. Press each quadrant, then take a short low-speed drive and listen for rattles. If a clip is broken, swap it out or use a small dab of automotive adhesive on the contact points. Avoid excess glue. If the cover feels loose or wobbles, remove and reseat it carefully, checking alignment and clip condition. If problems persist after these steps, have a technician inspect the rim or buy a correctly sized replacement to prevent loss while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.